up, we have a spokesperson of the BJP, Niti Jain, along with the senior journalist Shekhar Iyer. We also have spokesperson of the RJD, Chittaranjan Gagan, along with the spokesperson of the BRS, Dinesh Chaudhary. Thank you for joining us this evening, gentlemen, and Niti Jain. My first question is to Mr. Gagan on how he would want to respond to the Prime Minister's comments today. It was a blistering attack indeed, and not the first time that the Prime Minister has said that several in the opposition are in fact launching the Bhrashtachari Bachao Abhiyan. They're coming together only given that some of them face serious allegations of corruption and cases being investigated by agencies as we speak.
देखिए, प्रधानमंत्री जी जो आज बोल रहे हैं काफी हताश और निराशा में थे। इनको जो पटना में बैठक हुई गैर भाजपा दलों की, काफी परेशानी इन लोगों की पड़ी। पहले तो ये लोग या पूछ रहे थे कि शायद ये सारे दल एक साथ नहीं आ पाएंगे, कि क्षेत्रीय स्तर पर कई दलों हैं जिनको कांग्रेस के साथ वहाँ पर कांग्रेस और उनके बीच में टकराव है। तो यह सब देखकर इन लोगों को था कि जो है तो ये सारे दल एक साथ आ नहीं पाएंगे। लेकिन 23 जून को जो पटना में एक ऐतिहासिक बैठक हुआ और उसमें जो जिस ढंग से एक स्वर से सबों ने भाजपा के खिलाफ एक संगठित रूप से एक होकर और 24 का चुनाव लड़ने का निर्णय लिया है, इससे काफी छटपटाहट और बेचैनी। कांग्रेस भाजपा भी अपना जोर घटाव करके देख लिए, उनका मैक्सिमम जो था वहां पहुंच गया। अब उसके बाद थोड़ा सा वोट का इधर उधर होगा, उसमें जो है सो काफी नीचे चले जाएंगे, 100 से नीचे चले जाएंगे।
नहीं, चित्तरंजन गगन जी, आप कह तो रहे कि सफलता पाई गई, जो पटना में मीटिंग हुई उसको लेके, शिमला में मीटिंग होगी, अलायंस का नाम भी शायद फाइनल किया जाएगा, बट मिस्टर चौधरी, how would you respond? Because the BRS was not in attendance. There are several other political parties who were absent from the meeting as well. Some of them not even extended a formal invite. Is the opposition truly united? The Prime Minister says it's only corruption allegations and charges and cases that have brought them together today.
Good evening. We have made it amply clear in the past itself that we will be having no part in any forum or coalition in which Congress or BJP is a part of, because we have very firm view that we will be equidistant from both the parties. And also Modi ji's statements today are very unfortunate, where he had to drag KCR ji's daughter Srimati Kavita ji for his petty politics. Modi ji couldn't utter a single word against the protest of women wrestlers against his party Brijbhushan Singh's sexual offense against them. But he is speaking on issues,
mentioning it was shameful.
breaking up these things.
Okay.
No, the corruption that you indulge in is not shameful.
Unfortunate that the Prime Minister made it personal is what Mr. Chaudhary is saying, but how would you respond? Because you know, several of these parties, after what the Prime Minister has said, have come out to respond and say that the Prime Minister is rattled. The BJP is rattled. They've managed to do something that the BJP thought was unthinkable.
Is this for me?
Yeah, Niti.
Yeah, honestly, if you look at the Prime Minister today, I don't think he either looks rattled or sounds rattled. The only thing that he has brought to the fore, and I think the entire country knows about that, is, and the basic takeaway is that the minimum common program for all of these parties coming together is to save dynasty and to save the corruption that they have indulged in the last so many years. The only problem that they have is that today they are being called out for that corruption, for the ghotala-bazi that all of these parties have indulged in. That is their problem. Which is why if Nitish ji yesterday was calling out Lalu ji for his corruption, today he is sitting with him in coalition and they formed a government together because they're fighting for their own existence today. They're not fighting for the people of this country. They're not fighting for an agenda, because even now we don't know what their agenda is. It is Modi ji that today also has spoken about a vision. He has spoken about people from Anganwadi to the entire country, and we saw the kind of images that we saw in US. So this is a man with a vision. You
Okay.
think he would be rattled?
So
just
it's a
because
man with a
perhaps people
vision
got together
versus
in
an
Patna?
opposition that doesn't quite know what they want. Before I go across to Mr. Iyer, a quick comment from Mr. Chitranjan. चितरंजन, ये आप कह रहे हैं कि सफलता पाई गई जो मीटिंग हुई थी पटना में, आगे भी बहुत कुछ डिस्कस किया जाएगा, पर ना तो हमने कॉमन कंक्लूजन देखा, ना एक स्ट्रैटेजी, वो जो प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस थी उसको अगर ध्यान में रखते हुए बात करें तो ना एक स्ट्रैटेजी जिसकी डिस्कशन हुई या रेवलेशन हुआ, तो ये जॉइंट स्ट्रैटेजी ऑपोजिशन की क्या रहेगी? क्योंकि कांग्रेस और आपकी अगर बात करें तो आप कांग्रेस को अल्टीमेटम दे रहा है, नीति जैन कह रही है कि आप एक टाइम पे आपके जो एलाय है जेडीयू, वो एक टाइम पे उन्हीं लालू प्रसाद यादव के खिलाफ बातें कर रहे थे जिनके साथ वो आज हाथ जोड़ने के लिए तैयार है, तो ऑपोजिशन यूनाइटेड कैसे होगी सर, एक साथ कैसे आएगी?
देख लीजिए, पहली बात तो यह है कि यह औपचारिक रूप से पहली मीटिंग थी, फिर आगे मीटिंग है शिमला में और मीटिंग का दौर चलेगा और सारी बातें धीरे धीरे फेज बाय फेज सामने आ जाएगी।
सर उसी मीटिंग के दौरान आम आदमी पार्टी आके अल्टीमेटम दे गई कांग्रेस को, उसी मीटिंग से पहले अरविंद केजरीवाल अशोक गहलोत के बारे में
मैं जवाब दे रहा हूँ। वह आप पार्टी जो मामला उठाई है वह मामला ऑलरेडी इंक्लूडेड है, इसलिए उसमें कहीं कोई जो आवाज और कंट्राडिक्शन नहीं है जो ऊपरी तौर पर जो लोगों को दिखाई पड़ रहा है। अब नीति जो कर रही है टीएमसी को
लेट हिम फिनिश जी।
भाजपा के अधिक जो प्रवक्ता कह रही है ये शायद भूल रही है कि जो 2015 के चुनाव में आदरणीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी बिहार में आए और 36 घोटाला का आरोप उनके द्वारा लगाया गया था नीतीश जी पर 15 के चुनाव में, विधानसभा चुनाव, और 17 आते आते भाजपा के सारे लोग साचाम हो गए थे नीतीश जी से।
नहीं, पर क्या आपकी पार्टी को पूरा विश्वास है नीतीश कुमार पे? क्योंकि कितनी बार उन्होंने भाजपा के साथ अपना हाथ जोड़ा है सर।
पूरा कर लीजिए।
अरे सर, आप नीतीश कुमार जी ने ट्वीट करके बोला कि लालू जी के सारे उन्होंने घोटाले गिनवाए और उसके बाद बोला इस पे एक्शन होना चाहिए, फिर आप लोग एक दूसरे के साथ हाथ मिलाकर चल दिए कि चलो जी अब हम इकट्ठे काम करेंगे, और अब आप ये ऑल पार्टीज।
सर ये सवाल इसलिए उठाया जा रहा है, नीति लेट मी ब्रिंग इन मिस्टर अय्यर एज वेल। मिस्टर गगन, ये सवाल इसीलिए उठाया जा रहा है क्योंकि आज तक अगर हम पिछले कुछ महीनों की ही बात करें तो आज तक सिर्फ एक मुद्दा है जिसपे सारी पार्टीज ने, जो भी पार्टीज पटना में मिली थी एक साथ, एक ही मुद्दा है जिसपे उन सब ने कहा है कि हाँ भाजपा के खिलाफ हम खड़ा होंगे, और वो ईडी और सीबीआई ने जो इन्वेस्टिगेशंस लॉन्च की हैं उसको लेकर है। शेखर अय्यर, वुड यू अग्री? I'll come back to you, Mr. Gagan. आपको टाइम दिया जाएगा, एक सेकंड, लेट मी गो अक्रॉस टू मिस्टर अय्यर एज वेल। मिस्टर अय्यर,
the Prime Minister has chosen his timing, and this was expected because the Patna meeting of all the opposition leaders did not actually yield anything. And not only that, the next meeting is in Shimla, which means that it will be under the auspices of the Congress, which means Congress has now taken over opposition unity. So the Prime Minister's approach is actually twofold. One, to show why these parties are uniting without any other agenda or without providing any alternative model of governance. Two, that definitely, there is the common uniting them is their hatred for Modi and the fear of the central agencies. So these are the two things. So basically, Modi ji has today set the BJP's campaign not only for the 4 states where elections will take place end of this year, but also for the Lok Sabha elections. Mind you, he was addressing the BJP booth level workers who had gathered from all over the country in Bhopal. So in a way, he is signaling what is going to be the BJP strategy, what is going to be the BJP's narrative, which are what the opposition is planning to do. Because opposition unity is still in works. Nothing has happened much. Excepting that, they try to meet, but they could not adopt even a proper statement. You saw how, leaders just mouth the same thing which they were saying earlier. So obviously it is going to take time. But the attack from the Prime Minister, I think, on the opposition parties and individually also, he has brought back the corruption agenda along with his governance model and governance agenda. So this is going to be a very, very interesting narrative which has been set by the Prime Minister today, and how the opposition is going to counter and say, look, we are not here. See, already, the Bharatiya BRS has already, you saw the other day, KT Ramarao has said, look, we cannot simply unite on the basis of removing one person.
Yes,
We must have an
the
alternative. You
BRS,
see-
and Mr. Chaudhary may come in on this, the BRS of course has said that the support and cooperation must be extended at the state level elections as well. You can't unite to take on the BJP as far as Lok Sabha elections are concerned and be political rivals, let's say for example in Telangana. Mr. Chaudhary, how would you respond? Is this a dream or can this be a reality? What the Congress, the Aam Aadmi Party and several others are aiming for today?
No. We are clear from the beginning itself. See, we believe that Congress and BJP are both responsible for the woes of the country which is facing today even after 75 years of independence. The incompetent, inept and corrupt governance by these both parties for the past 75 years have led to the problems of this country even after 75 years of independence, and their incompetence to exploit the nation's natural resources even to the fullest. So we want a governance which can provide qualitative governance and quality leadership to the
Okay.
people of India. Not because BJP is a bigger evil, we will choose lesser evil Congress.
Okay.
We want
It's
people
very
of
clear,
India
Mr.
to unite
Chaudhary, it's
against
very clear that
divisive
the
forces
regional
and corrupt
parties want to pursue their own agendas. The Congress is saying we will lead this particular alliance to take on the BJP in 2024. I'm not quite sure if the RJD or several others are going to be okay with that. The Aam Aadmi Party so far is clearly not okay with this. And amidst all this comes the Prime Minister who says that we will continue with the crackdown on corruption. And this is the only mudda, this is the only plank that's brought the opposition parties together. Let's see how this plays out. This debate is not going to die down anytime soon, at least till 2024. Gentlemen, Niti Jain, thank you for joining us this evening. A quick break with that.